Welcome everyone to our 2020 Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Awards. My name is Monica McInnes and I'm the Strategic Initiatives and Engagement Advisor here at Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network. And I will be your host for today's announcement of the finalists and winner of the Promoting Healthy Living category. So without further ado, let's get started.
Thank you for participating in our virtual presentation and announcement of the 2020 Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Award winners and finalists. This year saw a record number of applications despite the challenging times our industry and indeed the wider community has faced this year. It's a testament to the stoic and resilient nature of people living in regional and rural communities like ours. Thank you for making the time and putting in such effort to nominate for an award. Before we get to the official announcements, I would like to acknowledge and pay my respects to the traditional owners of the lands on which MPHN operates and on which we are meeting today. The Wiradjuri, Ngari Ngari, Wemba Wemba, Baraba Baraba and Yorta Yorta peoples. I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging and recognise these lands have always been places of traditional healing and medicine, and this plays a role in shaping future health services. I would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal people who may be joining us today. One such person is Auntie Isabel Reid, who will now welcome us to country.
Hi everyone, I'm Auntie Isabel, Wiradjuri Elder, and it's my pleasure to be here to welcome you all to country. A welcome to country is so very important and also very necessary, as it demonstrates an ancient tradition to welcome visitors to our ancestral lands, which has been conducted over thousands of years to officially welcome people and to identify who we are and who you are. I would now like to acknowledge and pay my respects to the custodians of this land, the Wiradjuri peoples, whose land you are gathered on here today. I also wish to acknowledge our elders, past, present and future, for they hold the memories, their tradition and culture of all Aboriginal Australians. In recognition and respect for all Aboriginal people, our culture and heritage, it gives me so much pleasure to welcome you all here to the land of the Wiradjuri peoples.
Thank you, Auntie Isabel, for that warm welcome.
I now have a special message to share with you all from the Deputy Prime Minister and Federal Member for Riverina, the Honourable Michael McCormack. He is also joined by Minister for Regional Health, Regional Communications and Local Government and Federal Member for Parks, the Honourable Mark Colton.
Well, welcome to the virtual Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Awards, and so important to recognise and acknowledge the many people who've contributed so much during what has been a very challenging year. Droughts, floods, bushfires and of course COVID-19 has hit the regional communities that we represent very, very hard. But we're getting on with the job, and like our frontline medical professionals and everybody associated with primary health, we're putting people first. Mark Colton joins me today. Mark is, amongst many things, the Minister for Regional Health, and I welcome him and acknowledge the work and the role that he has played, particularly this year in what I say again has been a very difficult year. We've had the GP-led respiratory clinics set up and established right throughout regional areas of Australia, and that has made such a difference for COVID-19. And programs such as the Question, Persuade, Refer have helped mental health. There's many programs, there's many funding initiatives that are playing their part to lift the spirits and to raise the medical outcomes during this year and during all years. But essentially, you can't do it without the people who we've got in our regional areas, those frontline primary health professionals, and they are professionals. They're putting themselves out, they're going above and beyond, and today we recognise, we acknowledge and we thank them. So well done to all those nominated, well done to all the recipients of awards, and I say again, thank you very much. Over to you, Mark.
Look, I'd like to acknowledge each and every person that is in the health workforce in the Murrumbidgee area. This year they've gone above and beyond. While tonight we're recognising some people, I think we should remember that everyone has done such a wonderful job in keeping us safe this year. Like Michael said, this year has been like no other, and the health sector has really been at the forefront of keeping us safe. And you know, our record in regional Australia for managing the pandemic has been exceptional. The outbreaks we've had have been handled very, very well. And so the Murrumbidgee area is really coming to the fore as an area for health innovation. And it's 20 years since the clinical school's been there, and the work that's now going on with the Murrumbidgee model of innovative care and some of the other innovative trials we're doing just shows that Murrumbidgee area is really leading the way. We all know that if people train in the regions, they come from the regions, they're more likely to want to practice in the regions. But tonight is all about rewarding excellence in the delivery of health service. I wish I was there. I think it's wonderful that the Murrumbidgee PHN are recognising people who have done exceptional work, serving their community, keeping them safe. Congratulations and well done.
I'll now hand over to MPHN Board Chair Dr. Jodie Colbert for her welcome address.
Our Primary Healthcare Awards recognise the valuable and significant work being undertaken by health professionals, organisation and communities to improve health outcomes across the region. This year we have 4 award categories, and overall we had a total of 28 nominations, all of whom were deserving in their own right. It's clear there are many people, organisations and communities who are dedicated to improving health in our region. In my role as a general practitioner, I've seen daily examples of how my colleagues, other health professionals and organisations are implementing meaningful strategies to improve health outcomes for their patients, often going above and beyond what is required. Amidst the uncertainty and rapidly changing work environment that we've had to deal with this year, the whole health sector has demonstrated incredible flexibility and real collegiality in working together. Thank you to all the applicants for making time to nominate, and I applaud you for your hard work and dedication to improving the health of people in our region.
I'm pleased to welcome Board Director Donna McLean to present the Promoting Healthy Living Award.
The Promoting Healthy Living Award recognises projects encouraging people to take ownership of their own health and well-being. These projects encourage healthy behaviours in all areas of life, such as school, the workplace and at home. And the first finalist is Vitality Program. The Vitality Passport Program is an evidence-based, multidisciplinary intervention that targets halting or reversing frailty. The program actively promotes a positive culture change on ageing well with vitality by showcasing and delivering contemporary evidence-based interventions that allows participants to proactively apply interventions to improve their capacity to age well. A recent independent evaluation of the program concluded that both objective clinical data and patient reports suggest that it has successfully achieved its goal of reducing frailty and slowing down the common problems associated with ageing. The second finalist is QPR Community Gatekeepers, coordinated by Wellways. The QPR Community Gatekeepers initiative began by identifying 13 community champions in various communities. These community champions are well-known and respected role models in the community who may have an interest in suicide prevention and mental health and well-being. After appropriate gatekeeper training, the community champions assist in shifting community attitudes, reducing stigma and helping to open safe conversations about suicide prevention. Through the work of the community champions, more than 200 people in the Murrumbidgee region have now been trained in evidence-based gatekeeper training. Congratulations to both finalists, and the winner of the Promoting Healthy Living Award is Vitality Program.
Would Jeremy Carr be available from the Vitality Passport to say a few words? Has he joined us, or a representative of Jeremy's? Jeremy, would you like to say a few words? I think you're online.
Wonderful. Yes, thank you very much. That is a surprise. Sorry there, I wasn't able to unmute myself, but terrific. Thank you very much to the PHN. There's a lot of work goes behind the scenes, and we thank them a lot for allowing us and giving us the opportunity to participate in a program which we've really enjoyed as clinicians and has been well supported by the community. Also, congratulations to Wellways. That sounds like an amazing program. Having 200 people in the community as their community gatekeepers is fantastic. Well done to you guys. The people that we'd really like to thank is our participants and the community support that we get. And along with our team's really a terrific team that we've got on board, and look forward to continuing on to deliver these services to our communities furthermore. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Jeremy. Would Fran or Zoe from Wellways be available to say a few words as well?
I think I'm unmuted now. Thanks, Monica. Sorry. Thank you. We're very grateful to be a part of the awards and a finalist. And thank you, Jeremy. Congratulations. Your program sounds fantastic, and it's really exciting to see all the different work that's going on promoting the healthy living, no matter which take we're coming in from around our community. There's a lot of people benefiting in many different ways, and yeah, so thank you again. We're very grateful to be part of it.
Wonderful. Thank you both, Jeremy and Fran. We just will get moving into the very last part of the presentation.
Thank you and congratulations to all those involved in the Vitality program. This now concludes today's virtual presentation of the 2020 Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Awards. Thank you again to all our applicants, finalists and winners, and to everyone who has joined us today. Please join us at the same time and place tomorrow for the announcement of the Innovation Award.
Thank you again, everyone, for your time this afternoon. We certainly look forward to seeing just as many people online again tomorrow for the Innovation Award category announcement. And thank you once again, and congratulations to Jeremy Carr and all the team delivering the Vitality Passport program, and also Fran and your team for delivering the QPR Community Gatekeepers program. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.